Mom is playing Keep Away with Babies. Coda has the duck. Mommy has the duck. Coda and Foster have the duck. And Foster... Coda's trying to take it into the tunnel, but oh, there he got it. He got it in. There he goes, in and out, in and out. Foster is king of the hill for a moment until Mom knocks him off. They like that pop box. Here's Sissy. She is bound and determined to get in that other room. That's all she wants to do tonight.